Hi, I'm Janet Mohapi-Banks, and today I want to talk to you about the main thing that will deliver the biggest benefit to your business and your leadership abilities. And it's maybe something that on the surface might seem very counterintuitive. The thing I'm talking about is taking time off, taking time away from your business, taking time away from your projects, and even taking time away from your team. As entrepreneurs and leaders of business, we often feel compelled to keep going that extra mile, to just finish this one thing and then to immediately move on to the next. We're taught that taking time off equates to being lazy, that nobody is successful without continuous hard work. So it might surprise you then that some of the richest people in the world, such as Jeff Bezos and Richard Branson, attribute some of their success to the thinking time that they allow themselves every day. I want you to just take a quick moment to think about this. Yeah. Resting and laziness have completely the same actions. The only difference between the two is the judgment that we place upon them. Yeah. When I was a computer programmer, I could sit for hours at my desk working on a piece of code that just wouldn't compile or just wouldn't do what I wanted it to do. And I used to sit there and get really, really frustrated. Eventually, I would get up and go to the kitchen for a coffee or pop outside for a breath of fresh air. And it was invariably at these times away from work, that gave my brain the space to receive the answers that I was looking for. When our brains are too full of the problem, we literally cannot see the solutions. So the best thing that we can do is to create space for the answers to creep in when we least expect them to. This is why some of our biggest ideas come when we're in the shower. You know, you've been there as well. I know that you have. And that's why it's so important to take time off, to take time away, to just breathe without having all the problems of your business or your projects or your team on your shoulders. Yeah. Whether that is making sure that you finish every day before 5 p.m. or 7 p.m. or whatever time is right for you, or whether it means that you have all the thinking time early in the morning and you don't start working until 10 or 11 in the morning. When you give yourself time, when you give yourself time away to think of other things, your brain relaxes, your intuition kicks in, and you become more productive as a result. And also on the other side of that, you're teaching yourself and your team to adopt a balanced life that serves their greatest good, both mentally and physically. So nobody within your company is likely to burn out. Yeah. I challenge you to give it a go. I challenge you to finish work just a little bit earlier than you normally do. And I challenge you to take a day off, at least one, every single week. Let me know how it goes in the comments. And as always, please share this with people in your life who you know would benefit from hearing it. That would really help them, and it would help me too. So until next time, I'm Janet Mohapi-Banks. See you soon. Bye.